Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 12A Wendron Street in Cloverdale. If your kids like the sport and the outdoors, then this home is perfectly located, only minutes away from three of the biggest parks in Cloverdale. And the rear private home has plenty of room to move as well, with all the bedrooms taking double beds. Plus, the easy care yard makes the perfect downsizer or the lock and leave. So come on in and enjoy the tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed your tour of 12A Wendron Street in Cloverdale. As you can see, all the bedrooms are huge, so the kids won't be fighting over which room they want. For more details about the property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.